Welcome to K Autos. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2025 Audi TT RS, a car that blends performance, luxury, and cutting-edge design into one thrilling package. The exterior of the 2025 Audi TT RS is a true showstopper. Up front, the signature Audi single-frame grille, now wider and more aggressive, is flanked by sleek matrix LED headlights that give the car a bold and modern look. The sharp hood lines flow seamlessly into the sculpted front bumper, emphasizing its aerodynamic profile. Moving along the side, the low stance and flared wheel arches house large, lightweight alloy wheels, enhancing both stability and performance. The side skirts and blacked-out mirror caps add a sporty touch, while the frameless doors maintain Audi's sleek design language dot at the rear. The redesigned LED taillights stretch across the body, giving it a futuristic and aggressive look. The large rear spoiler isn't just for show, it improves downforce and stability at high speeds. Step inside the 2025 Audi TT RS, and you're instantly surrounded by luxury, technology, and motorsport-inspired design. The driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital Audi virtual cockpit display, providing real-time performance data, navigation, and customizable driving modes. The flat-bottom Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel, with RS badging and shift paddles, gives you a race-ready feel the moment you grip it. The premium leather and Alcantara sports seats, with RS embossed branding and contrast stitching, offer unmatched comfort and support, whether on the road or the track. The center console is sleek and minimalist, with high-quality carbon fiber and aluminum accents elevating the sporty interior. The Bang & Olufsen premium sound system fills the cabin with crystal-clear audio, making every drive an immersive experience. Ambient LED lighting, customizable to your mood, enhances the modern, high-tech atmosphere. Even the climate control system is designed with a futuristic touch, featuring digital controls integrated into the circular air vents dot with high quality. The 2025 Audi TT RS offers an unbeatable combination of performance, luxury, and advanced technology, making it one of the most exciting sports cars in its class. Powered by a 2.5-liter turbocharged 5-cylinder engine, it delivers 400 horsepower and 354 pounds-ft of torque, allowing it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. The Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional grip and stability, whether navigating tight corners or accelerating on open highways. With its 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, gear shifts are incredibly fast and smooth, enhancing the overall driving experience. Inside, the TT RS offers a premium and driver-focused cabin, featuring RS embossed leather and Alcantara sports seats, a flat-bottom RS steering wheel, and the Audi virtual cockpit, which provides real-time performance, data, navigation, and entertainment in a sleek digital display. The Bang & Olufsen premium sound system elevates the audio experience, while ambient lighting and carbon fiber trim add to its high-end appeal. Safety and convenience are also prioritized, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera ensuring a confident drive. The TT RS is not just about power, it's about precision, luxury, and everyday usability, making it an excellent choice for those who demand both excitement and refinement in a sports car. The expected starting price for the 2025 Audi TT RS is around $75,000, making it a high-value option for those looking for an elite performance coupe with Audi's signature design and engineering. The 2025 excellence. Audi TT RS is a true performance machine, built for speed, agility, and precision handling. Under the hood, the 2.5-liter turbocharged 5-cylinder engine delivers an impressive 400 horsepower and 354 pounds-ft of torque. launching this coupe from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. The Quattro all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and stability, ensuring confident handling in all conditions. The 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission offers lightning-fast gear shifts, giving you total control over its raw power.